Hello guys, for today's video, kumakain siya ng century tuna at nanonood ng Wish Rachel.
Honey Chan, we also have 5
Mia,
fingers. Good job.
sus, di na
Let's
tumitingin
count
sa
them
camera.
together. 1, 2,
Guys, oh.
3,
At
4,
syempre guys, may yakot siya.
5. Great work. The number of the day is 5.
Mia, subukan natin si Mia para tumingin. Mia, dito.
Hi, Mr. Angelo.
Nahulog pa. Nahulog guys yung century sa kamay. Kukunin niya yung susubo niya.
That's right. He's on the coat. Wow. And you heard me say goodbye, too.
Inibigay sa akin yung butog na yan eh. Ano mo? Sabi na eh.
That's right. And you just said goodbye in my language called Tagalog.
Sakit ng pas.
Tagalog is the native language of the...
Tagalog daw guys, oh.
Oh, so you've been there before. Actually, I was born...
Ganito lang guys, thank you.